update about Rocky Rabbit Airdrop. Update about Rocky Rabbit Airdrop. Today is 15th of September 2024, and there have been some confusions and some misunderstandings about the payment style for Rocky Rabbit. Now, number one is that how much will each individual that takes part in the Rocky Rabbit game and project, how much will they get at the end of by the end of September, by September 21, 22? What each individual will get is dependent on that what they earn in total. But even if somebody starts playing today, the individual will receive approximately the equivalent of 1 ton in RBTC as an airdrop. This is officially according to Rocky Rabbit channel. Another question people are asking is that why is Rocky Rabbit collecting the network fee in advance? Honestly, there's somebody that stood as a mentor for some people on this, and he said he was not going to take part in paying that because some other crypto projects like this collected the network fee in advance and then they didn't give the people anything. Rocky Rabbit has stated that they are collecting the network fee now due to anticipated congestion on the Ton network. This step, according to them, will help avoid potential delays and ensure smooth transactions during the airdrop. Another question that what people are asking is that what happens if I don't complete the eligibility tasks? If the eligibility tasks are not completed, your tokens will be burned. That means everything you have gotten will not be released to you. Number 4 question is that I am unable to join the Telegram channel. What should I do? Rocky Rabbit channel have said that being unable to join the Telegram channel is now optional in terms of eligibility. So it is not compulsory to join Telegram channel. This is advantageous, but it is not no longer compulsory for eligibility. Now, another question says that what happens to Rocky Rabbit after the airdrop? The Rocky Rabbit has stated that after the airdrop, Rocky Rabbit will become a full play to earn platform with its new mini app offering more games and earning opportunities with Rabbit Coin, moving beyond the typical meme coin models. The 6th question, which is going to be the last, is that when will I receive my total airdrop? According to Rocky Rabbit channel, you receive 50% of your airdrop on TGE day, that is on the day it is listing, and the remaining 50% will be unlocked over the next 5 months through play to unlock activities. So it is 50% you're going to receive on the 21st, 22nd, and thereabout. The remaining 50% will be received over 5 months through some activities which you do to be able to unlock the 50% that remains. So if you have any question on Rocky Rabbit, you can contact me on this channel and I'll be glad to answer your question and to help you further. This is Dr. Olubengade TV, and I've been doing videos about crypto for some time now. This channel basically is about how to make money offline and online. And many people on this channel have said that the businesses I talk about offline, they are businesses that require money to start. So how are they going to get the money? Now this is crypto airdrop where you do not really need money to start as such, and then after performing some tasks you get paid. So let me know what you feel in the comment section below. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.